Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make handwriting searchable in Evernote. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Evernote app on your computer and log into your account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll see various options for organizing your workspace. Click on Notes to access all your existing notes and begin the process of adding your handwritten content. Now from your notes list, select the specific note where you want to place your handwritten content. This could be an existing note where you're consolidating information or a new note you've created specifically for this purpose. The key here is choosing the right location so your handwritten material is properly organized and easy to find later. Once you've opened your preferred note, click anywhere in the note body where you want to insert your handwritten content. This action will activate the editing toolbar at the top of the screen, giving you access to all the formatting and insertion tools you'll need for this process. In the upper left corner of the toolbar, locate and click on Insert. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several attachment options. Scroll down through these options until you find File and click on it. This feature allows you to attach various document types, including images of handwritten notes, which Evernote can then process and index for searching. A file browser window will now appear, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders and files. Browse through your files to locate the image containing your handwriting. Once you've found it, select it and click Open to proceed. Make sure the image is clear and legible, as this will improve Evernote's ability to recognize and index the handwritten text accurately. After selecting your file, you'll need to wait a moment while Evernote uploads and attaches the file to your note. This processing time is important because during this phase, Evernote is not only uploading the image, but also beginning to analyze the handwriting within it. The application uses optical character recognition technology to identify and index handwritten text, making it searchable just like typed content. Now comes the exciting part where you can test the searchability of your handwriting. Press Ctrl+F on your keyboard and a search box will appear in the upper right corner of your screen. This is Evernote's built-in search function that works across all your content, including handwritten notes. Go ahead and type any word or phrase that appears in your handwritten image into the search box, then press enter. Evernote will instantly search through your note and highlight the matching text in yellow, even if that text is handwritten in an image. This powerful feature transforms your handwritten notes into fully searchable content, making it incredibly easy to find specific information without manually scanning through pages of handwriting. And there you have it. You've successfully made your handwriting searchable in Evernote, turning your physical notes into digitally searchable content. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.